Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel KS Academy One Step to Success. You can join us on Facebook also. So today's topic is alternative source of energy and also called as non-conventional source of energy. In previous part we have already studied about the resources of energy and the conventional source of energy also. So before moving further, if you like our videos, so don't forget like, share and subscribe our channel. This presentation also made by Dr. Prerna Bhautik, Assistant Professor at All India Sri Shivaji Memorial Society College of Hotel Management and Catering Technology, Pune. We have already studied about the energy, what are the resources available on our Mother Earth, and what are the conventional source of energy and what are the alternative source of energy also. Here we are going to study some other examples of non-conventional source of energies. The potential issue surrounding the use of fossil fuel, particularly in terms of climate change, were considered earlier than you may think. It was the Swedish scientist named Stephen Arrhenius who was the first to state that the use of fossil fuel could contribute to global warming, way back in 1896. The issue has become a hot topic in regarding to our environment over the course of the last few decades. Today, there is a general shift towards the environmental awareness and the source of our energies are coming under closely scrutiny. This has to lead to the rise of number of alternative energy sources. While the viability of each can be argued, they all contribute sometime positive when compared to the fossil fuel. Lower emission, lower fuel price and the reduction of pollution are also advantages that the use of the alternative fuels can be often provide. Here we are examining the 11 of most prominent alternative fuel source and the look at the benefits they are offer and potential for increased uptake in the coming years. First one is solar power, which is a huge and most important source of energy, and we can also call it as an alternative source of energy in a very cheapest way. When most people think of the alternative energy source, they tend to use solar power as an example. The technology has evolved massive over the year and is now used for a large scale energy production and power generation for a single home. We can see in this picture the solar plates are trapped the sun energy in the form of rays, and this energy is converted into electrical energy, and this electrical energy is used for the electricity generation and electricity used for a household purpose also, and it will also transfer to the thermal power plant, so other one also get benefit from it. A number of countries have introduced initiatives to promote the growth of solar power. The United Kingdom feed in tariff in one example, as in the United States Solar Investment Tax Credit. This energy source is completely renewable and the cost installation are outweighed by the money saved in energy bills from the traditional suppliers. The solar cells are also prone to deterioration over the large period of time and are not effective in ideal weather conditions. So it is a very important and very we can say that it saves the money and it's a very useful alternative source of energy. Second one is nuclear power. So nuclear power is among the most abundant form of alternative source of energy. It creates a number of direct benefits in terms of the emission and the efficiency, while also boosting the economy by creating a jobs in a plant creation and operation. This is the example of a thermal power station, or we can say that the nuclear power station for the generation of electricity situated in Barak. The 13th century relied on nuclear power to produce at least a quarter of their electricity as of 2015, and there are currently 450 plants in operation throughout the world. The drawback is that when something goes wrong with the nuclear power plant, the potential for the catastrophe exists. These situations in Chernobyl and Fukushima are examples of this. Third one is hydroelectricity energy. Hydroelectricity energy method actually are some of the earliest means of the creating energy, though their use being to be declined with the rise of fossil fuel. Despite this, they still account for the approximately 7% of energy produced in the United States. So you can see in this picture the dam is constructed over the river, and the flow of water, due to the flowing of water, having a high kinetic energy, so due to that the hydroelectricity get generated. So how it can be possible? So uh, the dam is constructed over the river, no, right? And then the water store the potential energy over the storage, or we can say that the one side of the dam, and that potential energy, due to the overflow of water, that potential energy is converted into the kinetic energy, and that due to that the flow of water with the kinetic energy, the turbine gets rotates, which are situated at the bottom of the dams or side of the dams, and due to the rotation of that turbines, the electricity get generated by means of the kinetic energy. Or we can also know about the thermodynamic law, first law of thermodynamics, that is the energy cannot be created, cannot be destroyed. It also transfer from one form to another form. So here the potential energy transformed to the get converted into kinetic energy, and kinetic energy get converted into the rotational energy of the turbine, and that rotate due to the rotation, that the rotational energy is converted into the electricity. So this phenomena is used for the generation of hydroelectricity. The hydroelectricity energy carries with it a number of benefits. Now, not only is it a clean source of energy, which means it does create the pollution and the marine issue that arise from it, but it is also a renewable energy source. Better yet, it also offers a number of secondary benefits that are not immediately apparent. The dams used in a generating hydroelectricity power also contribute a flood control and irrigation technique also. Fourth one is wave energy. Water gains provides itself to be a valuable contributor to alternative source of energy with the wave energy converters. So we can say in this picture, these are the energy converters. So wave energy is converted into the electrical energy by means of the rotation of that fans. This hold an advantage over a tidal energy source become they can be placed in the ocean in a various situation and location. Much like with the tidal energy, the benefit comes in the lack of waste produced. It is also more reliable than many other forms of alternative energy and has an enormous potential when used properly. Again, the cost of such system is major contribute factor a slow uptake. We also does it have enough data to find out how the wave energy converters affect the natural ecosystem. This is the example of wave star, and these are the floats. Its facility to design to convert the kinetic wave power into electricity. It's located in Denmark. It's equipped with the kinetic energy harvests called floats. This floats moves up and down with the kinetic motion of the waves. The motion of the floats is transformed via hydraulic to rotate power generators. The facility enabled continuous energy production and smooth output. The converts to storms the floats can be lifted to the safe position. The facility could able also to upgrade utilize wind and solar power. The power station are planned to hit the market next year. The full-scale device will equipped with 20 floats of 10 meter 66 feet in diameter. Each power station will be able to produce 6 megawatt of energy. Thus, the enabling a single machine to provide energy for 4,000 homes. If we could capture just 0.1% of the ocean kinetic energy caused by the tides, we could satisfy the current global energy demand over 5 times. Fifth one is biofuel. It constructs to the biomass energy source. Biofuel make use of animal and plant life to create the energy. In essence, they are fuels that can be obtained from organic matter. We have already learned about the biomass available near us, or we can say that the biogas produced by the decomposition of organic matter. So we have already studied about in previous part. They are the renewable source of energy in case where the plants are used, as they are can be regrow on yearly basis. However, they required dedicated machinery for the extraction with and contribute to increase the emission even if biofuel themselves don't. Biofuel are increasingly being adopted, particularly in the United States. They accounted for approximately 7% of transport fuel consumption as of 2012. Sixth one is natural gas. We have already learned about the natural gas as a renewable source of energy in previous part. The link of that previous part already shared with this link also. The natural gas source have been used for a number of decades, but it is though the progression of the comparison technique that is being a more valuable alternative source of energy. In particular, it is being used in a cars to reduce the carbon emission. The demand of this alternative source of energy, that is our natural gas, being increasing. In 2016, the lower 48 state of the United States reached record the level of demand and consumption. Despite this, the natural gas does comes with some issues. The potential for the contamination is larger than with the other alternative fuel source, and the natural gas still emits the greenhouse gases, even if the amount is lower than with the fossil fuel. Seventh one is geothermal power. We can see in this picture, at its most basic, geothermal power is about the extracting the energy from the ground around us. It is a growing increasingly popular with the sector as a whole experiencing 5% of growth in 2015. What exactly it means? Geothermal power प्लांट का मतलब क्या होता है? इसमें एग्जैक्टली होता क्या है कि जो कोल्ड वाटर रहता है वो हम उसको ट्रांसफर करते हैं ग्राउंड लेवल पे, इंजेक्ट करते हैं ग्राउंड लेवल के अंदर, एंड ग्राउंड लेवल के अंदर जाते ही वो क्या होगा, गर्म होने लगेगा, और गर्म होने के बाद में अब ये गर्म कैसे होगा? ड्यू टू द एनर्जी स्टोर्ड इन अ ग्राउंड लेवल पे जो एनर्जी स्टोर्ड है वो ट्रांसफर होंगी वाटर के साथ में, हीट एक्सचेंज होगा, एंड देन वाटर जो है वो गर्म होगा, हॉट होगा, एंड हॉट होकर वो अपर इसमें मूव होते जाएगा अपर डायरेक्शन में, एंड जब वो स्टीम फॉर्म हो जाएगा, ड्यू टू दैट स्टीम फॉर्मेशन वो अपर डायरेक्शन में फ्लो होगा, एंड टरबाइन क्या होगा हमारा, रोटेट होगा, और इलेक्ट्रिसिटी हमारी जनरेट होगी. सो यही एक सिंपल कंसेप्ट है जियोथर्मल पावर प्लांट का. ये एज एन अल्टरनेटिव सोर्स ऑफ एनर्जी है, बिकॉज हम लोग एनर्जी जो है कहीं से हम लोग बना नहीं रहे हैं. कोल जैसे हम लोग यूज करते थर्मल पावर स्टेशन में, वैसे हम लोग यहाँ कोल का या फिर फॉसिल फ्यूल का यूज नहीं कर रहे. हम लोग डायरेक्टली जमीन के अंदर की ग्राउंड लेवल के अंदर की एनर्जी का यूज कर रहे हैं फॉर हीटिंग द वाटर, राइट. तो इसी का हम लोग यूज कर रहे हैं, जो कि हम लोग एक्सटर्नल एनर्जी का यूज ना करते हुए ग्राउंड लेवल की एनर्जी का यूज कर रहे हैं, और वाटर को हीट कर रहे हैं, स्टीम में कन्वर्ट कर रहे हैं, एंड देन हमारा टरबाइन रोटेट हो रहा है, एंड इलेक्ट्रिसिटी हमारी जनरेट हो रही है. द वर्ल्ड बैंक सेंचुरी एस्टिमेट द अराउंड 40 countries could meet most of their power demand using geothermal power. This power source has a massive potential while doing a little dispert, but इसका क्या होता है कि कॉस्ट जो होता है इसका पावर स्टेशन बनाने के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा लगता है. So it being a lower adoption than may have been expected for a fuel source with much promise. Eighth one is wind energy. This is form of energy generation has become increasingly popular in recent years. It's offer much the same benefits that may offer alternative fuel source do, in that it make use of alternative renewable source of energy and it does not generate any waste. Current wind energy installation power roughly 20 million homes in the United States per year, and that number is growing. Most states in the nation have some from the wind energy setup, and investment into the technology continues to grow. Unfortunately, this form of energy generation also present challenges. Wind turbines restrict views and may be dangerous to some form of wildlife. Tenth one is the tidal energy. While the tidal energy uses the power of water to generate the energy, much like with the hydroelectric method, its application actually has more in common with wind turbine in many cases. Though it is a fairly new technology, its potential is enormous. A report produced in the United Kingdom estimates that the tidal energy could meet such a 20% of the UK's current electric demand. The most common from the tidal energy generation is the use of tidal stream generator. This is used in the kinetic energy of the ocean to power turbines without producing the waste of fossil fuel or being as unsustainable to the elements as other form of alternative energy. 11th one, hydrogen gas. Unlike other form of natural gas, hydrogen is a completely clean burning fuel. Once produced hydrogen gas cell emit only water vapor and warms air when it's used. The major issue with this from the alternative energy is that it is mostly derived from use of natural gas and fossil fuel, such as it could be argued that the emission created to extract it contradict the benefits of its use. The process of electrolysis, which is essential for the splitting of water into a hydrogen and oxygen, make this the less of is an issue. However, the electrolysis still rank below the previously mentioned method for obtaining the hydrogen. Thus, research continues to make it more efficient and cost effective. The conclusion of these topics are: as the issue that results from the use of traditional fossil fuel becomes more prominent, alternative fuel sources like the ones mentioned here are likely to gain further importance. Their benefits alleviates many of the problems caused by the fossil fuel use, particularly when it's come emission. However, the advantage of some of these technologies has been shot down due to the amount of investment needed to make it them viable. Though combining them all, we may be able to positively affect issues like climate change, population, pollution, and many others. Please do contribute to the discussion below and let us know your thoughts on alternative energy source in the comment section or by sharing the article on the social media. Here we discuss all 11 alternative sources of energies. Thank you for listening our lecture. If you have any queries and suggestions regarding this lecture, put it on in comment box. Before closing this video, do not forget like, share and subscribe our channel.